Hi. Compared to previous elections, this time actually the challenge is that when to happen the elections and how it has to happen is under a lot of volatility. So, so the schedule or kind of preparation for this election happened almost thrice and four times also. So by the time when elections are notified, it was so haphazard that we are not sure how well prepared is our polling personnel and how well prepared are the voters and candidates also. In in this kind of situation, and also there is an information that there are a lot of critical polling stations and lot of vigilante between the contesting candidates. So in this situation, we also needed a certain kind of monitoring at the state level to see how poll process and also counting process going on. So if you could see phase one or phase two, lot of tight contest, I mean close contest situations happen where we could actually monitor from this webcasting. And on top of that, when it comes to improvements in the webcasting, right now we were able to see a static standalone videography for 10% of the polling station. In future, we would like to scale it up to 100%. Along with that, we would want to also add analytics to this particular video webcasting, where there are certain rules to be followed within the polling station and outside the polling station. These rules are more of a quantifiable in nature, where the alert should be made in the live streaming wherever there is crowding, wherever there is more than five people in the polling station, or whenever we see in the voting compartment actually one person should be there. So all these things should be made available to the monitoring teams so that we can preempt and localize the situation in the beginning itself, before we call off for any action to that particular poll. So in this way, we feel that there is a lot of scope to this particular webcasting, and we would look forward to have these improvements in the coming elections. Thank you.
So the webcasting as a tool has been very instrumental in the smooth conduct of the elections this time. Because the fact that there is a camera watching brought in an instant discipline into the polling staff and also the voters, or probably the elements which wanted to disrupt otherwise. So the discipline was ensured and the smooth conduct of the elections was ensured, and the fact that there is no repoll, not even one repoll in all these sensitive and vulnerable polling stations where webcasting is there itself is a testament to the efficiency of this entire system. And Brihaspathi Technologies have really exceedingly done well in providing this tool to us. This is a very important tool for any election process, is what we would like to say. We could see the crowd movement from here. We could see if it is getting too crowded. We could see the turnaround time for one vote. How long is it taking? Is it faster? Is it slower? So there's a lot of scope which is there for a smooth conduct of elections with the help of a webcasting. So it has been quite helpful for this in this phase of elections, which was not used extensively as it is used this time in any of the previous local body elections. So, like, if this with this experience, we would really want to use this as a major tool in the coming elections as well. We are in the habit of using webcasting for a general election, but local body elections are a different ball game altogether, because the issues are very localized. The many sentiments between the candidates and the voters, which probably can flare up at a short uh, instigation, and this becomes very easy for us to, as told earlier, to localize the issue, to see where intervention is required, how much of intervention is required. So we are really looking forward to use this extensively in the coming elections. Thank you.